How safe is wrapped Bitcoin, especially considering that Galaxy Digital has terminated its acquisition of BitGo? What does BitGo have to do with wrapped Bitcoin and the DeFi space on Ethereum? Keep watching. That's what we're talking about. Welcome to Crypto Tips. If you guys are enjoying these videos, hit the like button, hit subscribe. Check out the CT Club down below. We do trade alerts, portfolio updates, market updates, and we let you guys voice your questions for our AMA section, and they might turn into videos like today. So the first thing we should be asking is how is wrapped Bitcoin created? Where does it come from? And basically what it involves is a custodian, a centralized third party in the middle to take native Bitcoin into their possession, and then they produce wrapped Bitcoin in exchange. It's not magically, Bitcoin on the Bitcoin network is not magically turned into an ERC20 token. There is a third party involved, and that is one of the risks involved with wrapped Bitcoin, is that you need to trust that the custodian is being transparent and providing financial audits, that they are actually creating Bitcoin at the rate that creating wrapped Bitcoin at the rate that Bitcoin is being deposited, and that wrapped Bitcoin is being burned when that Bitcoin is in reverse and being withdrawn. I brought up in the introduction how Galaxy Digital is terminating their acquisition of BitGo, because here's why that's important, is because wrapped Bitcoin was basically an idea that was started off in January 2019 by a lot of different DeFi platforms on Ethereum: Kyber, Ren, MakerDAO, BitGo, another one among others. And BitGo is one custodian that is in control, or has the power to create wrapped Bitcoin. Galaxy Digital is terminating their acquisition of BitGo because BitGo failed to provide them with the extensive financial audits that Galaxy Digital had required to make this acquisition complete. So the fact that BitGo isn't maybe as transparent with what they're doing should be a red flag for anyone who is in crypto that has survived the past 3-4 months. Don't trust, verify. This is one of those things. Another risk just in general about wrapped Bitcoin is that the obvious reason why you create wrapped Bitcoin isn't just to hold it. The value of Bitcoin is in its network. It's the strongest, most decentralized network that exists. And the reason why you would want wrapped Bitcoin is to harness that value, but also put it to work for you by enlisting it on DeFi platforms. And to do that, you need wrapped Bitcoin. So one of the risks of wrapped Bitcoin and that you need to pay attention to is, number one, how closely does it track the actual price of Bitcoin? And number two, what is the liquidity supporting this coin? Is the liquidity like $2,000? Is it $200 million? That's a big price difference, and it's going to be an indication of the health of that token on the DeFi platform that you want to use. You want to see large liquidity. If there's not a lot of liquidity, if there's not a lot of demand for wrapped Bitcoin on the platform that you want to use, it's going to translate into very small interest rates being paid to you, a very small APY. And if it's going to be a small APY, how is that worth the risk that you're taking even just holding it? Another reason why low liquidity is also dangerous for holding wrapped Bitcoin when you're using it on DeFi platforms is because that means there's probably going to be some volatility in the price of that wrapped Bitcoin. And volatility in terms of DeFi translates into a higher risk of impermanent loss. Depending on how long you're willing to hold your coins in that DeFi position, your impermanent loss might be higher than you might be comfortable with. So those are the risks of wrapped Bitcoin. I hope you guys can wrap your head around that. If you are interested still in obtaining wrapped Bitcoin, you can buy it pretty easily on exchanges like Binance, decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, or wallet providers like Atomic Wallet. You're probably able to do it on Ledger Live as well, right within your hardware wallet. So that's the risk of wrapped Bitcoin. Your decision to buy it or use it on DeFi. Hopefully you guys can take what you learned today and put it to practice and save yourself some money. Okay, bye guys.